In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell AI art and images on Gumroad. First, open your browser and go to your Gumroad dashboard. If you're not already logged in, log into your account and you'll land on the main dashboard page where you can manage all your products and sales. From here, look for the products section in the navigation and click on it. This takes you to the area where all your existing products live and where you can create new ones. To set up your AI art, click on the New Product button. A setup window will open. Start by clicking into the name field. Add a clear, descriptive title like AI Art Collection, Wallpaper Pack, or anything that accurately reflects what you're selling. Good names help customers instantly understand what they're getting. Next, choose the type of product. For AI art and imagery, select Digital Product. This tells Gumroad that your customers will receive files rather than physical items. Now, type in your price. Think about the value and how many images you're including. Directly next to the price, there's a currency drop-down. Click it and choose the currency you want to sell in. When that's done, click on Next, Customize to move into the detailed setup. On the Customize page, click into the description field and write a clear explanation of your art. Mention what's included, how many images, the style, resolutions, and any usage rights you allow. Below that, there's a URL field. Customize this so you have a clean, memorable product link. In the cover section, click to upload an image or video that represents your collection. This is the first visual people see, so choose something eye-catching. Then, in the thumbnail section, click Upload to add a smaller image that will appear in product lists. Scroll to the product info area. Choose your call to action text such as buy this or get this. Then write a short summary explaining what buyers will receive. If you'd like, open the additional details section and add extra information like file formats or dimensions. In the integration section, you can optionally invite customers to communities on other platforms. In the pricing section, refine your pricing options, for example, allowing pay what you want or installment payments. In the versions section, you can add different versions, such as standard and premium packs or limited drops. Under settings, decide things like limiting total sales, letting buyers choose quantity, or showing the number of sales publicly. Now go to the Content tab at the top. This is where you add the actual AI art files. In the Content Editor menu, find the upload icon to the right of the hyperlink symbol. Click it. Then select your art files from your device and upload them. Next, click on the Receipt tab. Here you can customize the button text customers see after purchase and add a thank you message with any important notes, like how to download or where to get support. When you are happy with everything, click Publish and Continue. Gumroad will guide you through the final, straightforward steps to make your digital art product live and ready for customers to buy.